they will import those all dimensions and facts in the framework manager. Then they will do the modeling.
Okay, sir. Means to say that the Starflex schema and Snowflake schema are developed in ETL part, and after
Yeah,
it,
ETL part. Yes, correct.
okay, and after that the picture of Cognos comes, and the Cognos people just
Yeah, after
import the
that
data.
the Cognos picture will come, and we'll import those all fact tables and fact tables and dimension tables in the FM, and in FM we will do the joins as per our reporting requirements. Once you are making the joins between each and every fact and dimension table, then what you will do, you will publish the package in the framework manager. Package is nothing but it is a container which holds all the reporting objects. Okay. Once you are
Okay, sir.
publishing the package, that package is available in Cognos. The report developers will use that package. They will just drag and drop in the report.
Okay, sir. Sir, I got your point,
You'll
sir.
see just.
Okay, sir. You
No, you can
proceed, sir.
understand later, because you see, once we have started our Cognos, you can understand each and everything. What is the star schema? Because right now, just remember these things, and once we have started with Cognos, I will tell you, I will show you the data and what ETL people will do, what Cognos people will do. I will explain each and everything.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay, you see, this is the sales information. It holds this. This is the two-dimensional view. One is time. We have two dimensions. That is time dimension and product dimension, right? And these sale values are called as KPIs, key performance indicators. What are the values are holding these cells? Those are called as KPIs.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now here you see, this is three-dimensional view, cube.
Yeah. There is another
So what it contains?
dimension city.
We have added one more dimension that is called as city.
Yeah.
So this is called as cube, because cube will contains multiple dimensions and facts.
Okay, sir. Fine, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you'll close till here. So, but the thing is, you have to read these all the things very well. You just go through all PPT. First, what you have to do? First, you go through all the PPT.
Okay, sir.
Okay, I will send the SQL document now. So go through the all. Yeah, tell me.
So this PPT is not available at me. So just I think.
No,
okay,
Ashish
sir.
told me he shared the PPT.
Okay, sir. I have. Okay. I have. Just send me another. You're saying about the SQL document so that I read it and just if I got problem.
Yeah, I will. And what is your email ID? Okay,
Sir,
okay, I have your email ID. Ashish is putting CC to me. Okay, I will send to you SQL document.
Okay.
Okay, read it thoroughly SQL part. Then you can understand each and everything. This is not very big, difficult.
Okay, sir. Sir, because somebody told me that for developer part you have a good Oracle, so that you able to write good queries and so that the.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you. First, you read Oracle very well, because meanwhile we are going to the basic concepts, right? Databasing basic concepts. Once you are started Cognos, you should know SQL.
Okay, sir, I am able to just writing the tables, deleting and updating. These are the basic needs are I know. What is that? What is create table, alter
Instead
table?
of creating the tables, you should learn how to get the data from the tables. That means you should know very well how SQL queries, how to write the SQL queries in select statement.
Joins. You are talking about joins?
No, joins as well as you see, you should know how to write the SQL query, and that means how to get the data from the tables. If I am giving one query, you should know how to get the data from the tables. For example, you see, select employee name, employee ID from employee table. You should know those select queries very well.
Okay, sir. I know that the select from where and these all the things.
Yeah, those all the things. You read that part and read the joins part.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, fine. So tomorrow again we have 7 to 9. Okay, we'll start 7:30 to 9.
Sir, I got your number, sir. Is it 988929564?
No, that is not my number. That is changed now. Note down my number. 830
830.
880
Okay, sir.
2332.
2732. Okay. Okay, sir. I note down your number. So that I will call you and wake up you, so that
Okay,
there's
fine.
nothing.
Yeah, you can directly call. Suppose if I'm not able to wake up, you call me directly. We can continue.
Okay, sir.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay, ji. Thank
Chalo.
you.
We'll meet tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Chalo. Hello, Ashish is there?
Yeah, hello.
I think he's. Hello,
Yeah, hello.
Ashish?
He's not here right now. He's coming. He has gone to washroom.
Okay, ma'am. Fine, no problem. So, yeah, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
Thank you.
Pankaj, bye. We'll see tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Fine. Bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.